Hey everyone, welcome back to the One-on-One Library. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful features in Google Sheets, pivot tables. Pivot tables are a great feature that can help you handle large datasets and organize your data. In this video, you will learn how to create pivot tables in Google Sheets, how to use pivot tables efficiently, using filters with pivot tables, and some additional features. Let's get started. First, let's open a Google Sheet with some sample data. For this tutorial, we're using a data set of sales records, including columns for date, sales rep, region, product, and sales amount. Before you create your pivot table, you have to make sure that your data is organized in a tabular format with no empty rows or columns. Here is our data set. It's quite large and can be overwhelming, but pivot tables can help us make sense of it quickly. So let's get started with using pivot tables. To create a pivot table, select your dataset, then go to the top menu under Insert, choose Pivot Table. And Google Sheets will prompt you to choose your dataset. If your data is already selected, you can just click on Create. Otherwise, you could either type your data range or click on this icon to select it manually. Also, Google Sheets will prompt you and ask you if you want to insert your pivot table in a new sheet or just add it to the existing sheet. I'll choose a new sheet for now. Then I'll click on Create. This will create my pivot table. Let's start by adding rows and columns to our pivot table. Let's click on Add next to rows and choose Sales Rep. This will list each sales rep in our dataset, as you can see here on the left hand side. Next, let's add a column. Click on Add next to column and choose Product. Now we will see a grid with sales reps on the left hand side and products across the top. To fill this grid with data, we need to add a value. Scroll down, click on Add next to value, and select sales amount. This will populate our table with sales values and will sum these values, which is exactly what we want. We now have a pivot table showing the total sales for each product by each sales rep. But what if we want to break this down further? Let's add a filter. Scroll down, click on Add next to filter, and choose Region. This will add a region filter. We can filter our data to see sales for a specific region. For example, click on the drop-down menu and you can select only East, for instance. Click on OK. You can see how our pivot table updates instantly to reflect this. Pivot tables are not just for summing values. You can also use them to find averages, counts, and more. For instance, under Values Sales Amount, click on the drop-down menu and you will have a lot of options. I can choose the average, for instance. Now our pivot table shows the average sales amount for each product by each sales rep. Pivot tables also allow you to group data by date, which is handy for time series analysis. Let's remove our current row and add date instead. Scroll up, click on the X, then click on Add, choose Date, and Google Sheets will list these dates by default. You can customize this by clicking on any date value, choose Create Pivot Date Group, and then you can choose a different interval, like month. This will group data for each month. You can also customize the appearance of your pivot table to make it more readable. For instance, click anywhere on the table, then go to Format, click on Themes, and here you can change your table appearance. You also have a lot of options. For instance, you can change your number format, text format, alignment, and so on. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of creating and using pivot tables in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Also remember to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.